It's informative. It's healthy. And it's the news. Welcome to the Health Connection. This week's web episode is growing further to serve South Florida.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Health Connection. Today's topic, growth, growing to further serve South Florida. I'm here today with Mr. Stuart Stein, Program Manager over at our office in Miami Beach. Welcome, Stuart. Happy that you can be with us today.
Thank you for having me.
So I know that our office in Miami Beach, Albert Canis, MD and Associates, is now part of Care Resource. Tell us more about that.
Well, sure. We're all very excited to now be part of Care Resource. Albert Canis, MD and Associates is a practice that's been around for 19 years. We are 3 physicians. Dr. Albert Canis has been practicing in the local community for 24 years, serving the HIV community. Dr. Sherry Klinger, similar breadth of experience, and Dr. Marlene Jaron, who's been practicing for 7 years in the community. And so we are very proud that we have 3 physicians with the depth of experience that they do.
Wow, it seems like there's a whole vast depth of experience in the office. Wow. So in addition to the experience there, I know that PrEP and PEP services are provided there as well. Tell us more about that.
Yes, so being a primary care practice, the patients that we serve are generally patients that we see on a regular basis for all of their healthcare needs. In addition to primary care services, patients will many times inquire about PrEP, pre-exposure prophylaxis, with their doctor, or PEP if they've had an exposure for treatment after post-exposure prophylaxis. Many times we have patients seek us out because they know that we provide those services and because the physicians are well known in the community for their depth of experience in the treatment of HIV.
Well, what's great is you talked about 19 years, of experience. And Care Resource has been around. We're going to be entering our 35th anniversary now, as a health center. Actually, our offices, we have one off of 3510 Biscayne Boulevard, right there. But we've been growing a lot too since our beginnings. We have an office in Fort Lauderdale off Oakland Park Boulevard. And we have one at Miami Beach over by Macy's, and over actually in Little Havana now. We expanded into the Little Havana area code. And we just moved a lot of our programs in over to our office off 3801 Biscayne Boulevard. And there's you. There's your office.
That's us. We've been there for 19 years.
19 years, wow. Our office off of 3510 Biscayne, we moved a lot of programs over to the location off of 3801 Biscayne Boulevard. I believe we moved our behavioral health over there, we moved our case management, we moved our medical services, we met our health promotions and testing, the Walgreens. At our office in 3510, right now, we still do dental services. We have our Food for Life food bank is still there too. But there's a lot of growth coming in that direction. So you said earlier that you do PrEP and PrEP services for the community over at the office in Miami Beach. But in addition, I know there's women care there too, right?
That's correct. Dr. Jaron is board certified in family medicine. We are an adults-only practice, 18 and older, and Dr. Jaron, as the family medicine certified physician, does offer services that are unique for women, like Pap smears. We're all about the convenience to the patient. We like to think of it as a one-stop shop. For example, we have an X-ray suite in our office, so patients can receive most of their medical services that they would expect to receive, things that are ordered by their primary care physicians, right in our offices.
Well, I think quality care, I think experience, I see a whole, this is welcome to the Care Resource family. We're happy to have you. But I know that the offices in Miami Beach are a little different than, on weekdays, you're open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., is that right?
Yes, so a lot of our patients are, they work hard every day. They want convenience, and that's always been something that we felt was important to provide our patients. So to provide working people convenience to see their doctors at a time that would not interfere with their work responsibilities. We open at 7 a.m. every day. We close at 7 p.m. Fridays we close a little early, get the weekend started. But what our patients really love is the fact that we are open every other Saturday as well.
Well, thank you for putting the care in Care Resource, and thank you for being with us today.
My pleasure.
And make sure for more information to check us out at careresource.org, or for more information, just call us at 305-576-1234. Thank you for watching The Health Connection. Have a very great afternoon.
Watch the Health Connection live feed show on Facebook and YouTube every other Wednesday at 1 for your dose of informative, healthy news. Care Resource is located at 3510 Biscayne Boulevard in Miami, 3801 Biscayne Boulevard in Miami, 1901 Southwest 1st Street in Little Havana, 1701 Meridian Avenue in Miami Beach, and 871 West Oakland Park Boulevard in Fort Lauderdale. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at facebook.com/Care Resource, or follow us on Twitter at Care Resource FL, or subscribe at youtube.com/Care Resource.